Right, this one looks a little bit tricky with all of our given formulas. So let's start with what we know. I'm going to start first of all by thinking about a Venn diagram. So I know that, probability of A is 2/5. So this whole circle must be 2/5 if this is my A. So that's the probability of that whole circle is 2/5. I know there's a B over here. Probability of B given not A is 1/4. I can't really label that. B given A is 1/3. I can't really label that either. So let's go back and figure out other things. If I know that the probability of A is 2/5, that means the probability of not A must be 3/5. So not A is going to be here and here. I know my formula for probability of B given A is the probability of A intersect B divided by probability that A happened. Well, I know this value and I know this value, both of which are in my formula. So I could plug those in and figure out A intersect B. So 1/3 equals probability of A intersect B divided by 2/5, because that's my probability of A. So multiply to the other side. Probability of A intersect B is 1/3 times 2/5, which is 2/15. So that's nice. I can label that up here. Knowing that that's 2/15 is very useful, because then I can figure out this, because I know the whole thing adds up to 2/5. So I could say 2/5 minus 2/15. And I get 4/15, so this bit must be 4/15. Probability of B probability of B given not A. Well, I can use my same sort of formula idea. So probability of B given not A, that's going to be the probability that given not A, probability that B intersects not A, divided by probability of not A. They gave me this one, not A, I could figure out because I knew A. B intersect not A is going to be this area, which is good because I need to know the probability of B, so I need this area. So again, I'm going to fill in what I know and solve. So B given not A is 1/4 equals B intersect not A, divide by 3/5. Again, multiply the other side. B intersect not A. When I multiply on top, I'll get 3. On the bottom is 20. So over here is 3 out of 20. So in the end, my probability of B, I can now figure out. That's going to be 2 out of 15 plus 3 out of 20. Using my calculator, 2 out of 15 plus 3 out of 20. I want to make this into a fraction again. So since I didn't use my fractions from the beginning, I can use the math menu and get 17 out of 60. So there's my probability of B. Probability of A intersect not B, well, that's my 4/15 over here. So we figured that one out because we knew our complete probability of A. So again, the way that we figured that one out, because we just typed that one in our calculator, we did that by saying the whole probability of A minus A intersect B. So once we knew A intersect B, we knew our 2/5 and we subtracted to get our 4/15.